Right everyone, I did say I'll come back and show you a kit, which is a scrapbooking kit. Now, I'm not sure if what I've put in it is what you're looking for, but these are the kits to start with and we'll see how they go. I'm going to start with, start at the top. I mean, I don't need to put the papers in because I've already shown you them. This will all be put in very neat for you. It won't be just left. So this is one kit. It's a big kit. So you've got these papers, which you can do whatever you like with. Some might be slightly different, but I showed you them before. Cards, trims. I mean, they're reversible as well. Stickers. Pictures. This is the only one that had one letter missing. I did explain that before. But apart from that, they're all stickers. Sorry about that. We've got a street alarm going off. It's all day. It's driving everybody potty. There's nothing I can do about it. Not everybody's got these in, but we're using up what I had in my stash. These cards for journaling on. They're the papers, which I've already shown you. They're all double-sided. Let me just see. I'll do it this way. There's another one. But on the reverse side, they're different, obviously. That's one. Oh God, that alarm's, it's really driving us all nuts. And the owners aren't in. Right, I have printed off. Now, I did try it on card and it wouldn't go through my printer. In fact, I think I buggered my printer up. So, but what I've done is I've put in 5 printed pictures, the vintage ones, that you can put onto a card. You could glue that onto one and just use it there. Our own picture. Tea time. Paris. 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 And that. Now, I have put some trims in as well and some bits and pieces. So, you've got this piece, which obviously you don't need to use it all at once. One of those. Some of this, because if you're putting tabs on your, you know, your cards and that. So, it's that. And then we put it in that as well. The herringbone one. I've put some appliques in. I've not trimmed them all out. I don't have time for that, and I don't want to knock my hands up either. This, which you can cut all of that out. One of those. One of those. One of those. That way. Those you can cut out. Those. That one. And that one. Some trims. Obviously, you want to make tabs or whatever it is you want to do in your journals. Make your bows. It's just that one. Piece of that. Oh, little doily. Some of that. Some thin braid. Some ribbon, which is the wired ribbon. And I did try and keep the colours going. One of those, because you might want to make your own little tabs at the top of your tags. Oh, there's some more of those. that you can use yourselves. Oh, I've put some of this in. It's really super soft. But you want to make, you know, you might want to make your tags at the top of your tags, your little trims. Some cording in chocolate brown, which goes with the other one. Oh God, stop that. Some pearl. Some leaves, because you can cut them apart and put them where you want them. Some other cording. Like I said, I will pack it all nice and neat. A full one of those. Some cards. An old vintage one. Just a variety of cards. These I had. A letter each. Now, it doesn't matter. I've used T's, I's and S's and things like that so that you can make something with it. You might want it for a different project. Put you some pearls in. Now, within this bag... Oh, and there's another ribbon. Within this bag, a selection of pearls. And then I've put things in like this for you to chop up and put where you want. Some of the glass cabochons. Some ribbons with the pearly bits on. Bling. Bead cap for you to make your own with the ribbon. You can make your own tassel. Foam roses. So we've got 3 colours. And then 2 of those. 3 roses. 1 of those. I'm really sorry about that noise. It's driving us all mental. Some of those. 3 keys in each kit. Some pearly bits that you can take apart. What's that one? Oh, a ticket. And then several words. Now, I haven't gone through the words. I've just picked a clump out and put them in. So, there's some might be useful. Not saying they all will be, but I did try. But I usually... you're getting a nice bag of goodies there. So... Right, everybody, I'm just letting you know I've sorted out these 3 different leaves that I will put in and a strip of those leaves. I put each one of you one of these in. You might want to use it for the beads and then use that somewhere else in your journal. So that's those. And then I sorted out some metal work as well. And a wing each. So you've all got one of those. Just some more bits and pieces in the bottom there. And then a button. Another button. The vintage ones. So, I'm going to add those to the kits. Oh, and I've done this as well. I've done you 2 sheets of this. Because I could use that as a page if I was doing a journal. And you can paint it, whatever you want to do with it. So, you've got 2 sheets of that each. And I think... that's it, and that's the whole kit. And they'll be on the on the shop shortly. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. God, you lot are going to have some fun.